Welcome to Singapore's expat town, Tanglin. もう皆さん僕が、散髪動画好きなの知ってると思いますが、今日はなんとこれです。シンガポールにある日系の散髪屋さん兼美容院。So what kind of people work there? How's the price? How's the service? Let's find out together. Hey, how's it going? Maybe, yeah.
Sorry.
Hi, ジェームスくんです。
Hi. Hello.
Hello. So are you ready to cut your hair?
Yeah, ready. Super ready.
So can I see the links right now?
Like this.
So I have some kind of problem on my scalp, so I'm actually not getting a haircut. So they're actually known for having two types of menu. They have a barber menu and a salon menu. So the prices are different. Hello. Konnichiwa. Oh, it's very clean, white, and look at all these manga, James.
Dude, there's a lot of manga here.
This is amazing. Very Japanese. I love it. Which one's your favorite?
Oh, my favorite. Where's Slam Dunk?
Slam Dunk. the Taiwanese love Slam Dunk, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Slam Dunk 大好きなんですよ。
Oh my god.
Yeah,名探偵コナン love it. こんにちは。はい。
いらっしゃいませ。
おー、すごい、いらっしゃいませ。なんか大人気のチェリーさん。
はい。
Hello, nice to meet you, チェリーさん。ヘアスタイリストのマサさん。
どうも。
お願いします。マサさんもうシンガポール何年ぐらいですか？9年ぐらい。9年。長い。シンガポールのじゃあ好きなところと嫌いなところは？
好きなところもどこでも近くに行けるところです。
はいはい。じゃあ嫌いなところ。
嫌いなところはいや特にない。
特にない。素晴らしい。Alright, so this is the menu of the barber.
Yes. Yes.
Barber, and this is the
Yeah,
salon.
it is salon. Yeah.
And the salon menu is here.
大概就同个长度，但是就是烫卷。这样后面的话，
哦，你要一点烫哈。
So they're doing a hair consulting right now, and I need to find a manga. Good for you, James. Your favorite.
Dude. Oh man, you're the best.
And this is the
Last one?
The last one, yeah. So after the consultation, he will start cutting his hair. And usually, if it's a Japanese hair salon, we'll read some manga or read some magazines. How do you like it, James?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Is it your first time coming to a Japanese hair salon?
Yes.
お客さんはどういった人が多いですか？
半ぐらいですね、日本人の方と。
ああ、ローカルの人と。
は
なんか30年ぐらいやられてるんですよね。
そうです
I
ね。
think Japan and Singapore are kind of similar.
It's different, but it's not too different.
Not too different.
That's what makes Singapore so livable. I like it because it's more chill here. You know?
Chill, yeah.
Yeah. In Japan, we gotta be like, you know, like,
Very formal.
hi, konnichiwa, hi, irashaimase, you know. How are they for a Taiwanese?
I feel like you said, it's different, but it's not that different. Sometimes I feel like I'm still at home.
Have you managed to find nice Taiwanese food?
I think when Tony's food leaves Taiwan, it stops being authentic for some reason.
I don't know a good Taiwanese in Singapore actually. Oh,
Is that the line?
meticulous. Whoa. Oh, you're already looking neater.
Oh, nice.
Whoa. Is it your first time having a hair spa?
Yes. Yeah, it's a privilege.
It should feel amazing. So you can choose
Yeah.
which spa.
Depending on
Ah.
your scalp type.
What's your scalp type?
I have no clue.
見ます？
頭皮見れるんですか？すごいそれは。
What do you say?
We're gonna check your scalp using some kind of tool.
Wow, that is really
Whoa. うわ、すごいすごい。うわ、見えてますね。
good. I'm really giving away my privacy here.
めっ ちゃ気持ちよさそう。羨ましい。Look at that. How does it feel?
It feels pretty good.
Wow. マサさんはじゃあ日本で最初ヘアスタイリストとして働いてシンガポール来たって感じですか？
そうですね。
もう戻る気もないんですか？
そうですね。
ああ、もう
戻れないですね。
やっぱ美容業界ってすごい大変なイメージで、日本のね、特に下っ端の時はシャンプーだけだったりで、営業終了した後もなんかマネキンで練習とかってあるんですけど、やっぱシンガポールって違います全然。
そうですね。
私生活も大事にできたりって感じ。
それはあると思います。でこっちにやっぱ技術があった状態で来ないと結局即戦力にはならないっていうのが多分あるかもしれない。
確かにどの業界も一緒かもしれないですね。もう戻れないってマサさん。So now we're at the barber section. ここがバーバーですね。And he's gonna get his face shaved. I didn't get to show you everything, but the shaving looks so awesome. So much work put in. You're looking so fresh, man. Wow.
Yeah, I feel like I'm from the upper class or something.
これで癖をつけてる感じで。
はい。
おー。Oh, you're looking nice already, man. でも結ばなくてもかっこいいですもんね。こんな感じでも。すげえ。Okay, he's finished. Looking pretty awesome, you know.
Oh man, this is
Whoa,
crazy.
so fluffy here. Fluffy. It's like a you have a flower blooming here.
I showed him a picture and it's exactly what he did. It was
Yeah.
exactly like the picture.
ジェームス君ばっかりいい思いさせるわけにいかないんで。I'm also getting my ear clean. Wow, and Cherry's gonna do it for me. 最後受けたの1ヶ月前ぐらいだけどね。2週間目ぐらいか。
Clean, huh?
So clean, huh?
Yeah, not dirty.
ああ、気持ちいい。繊細だね、タッチが。Cherry, you're very good. Very skillful one.
Thank you.
So many.
Awesome.
Wow. こんなにあったんだ。Wow. すごい。この前綺麗にしてもらったばっかだのに。ああ、タイ主婦は。タイ主婦。結構取れた。And now that completes our full one Minami hair salon experience. サービスで肩揉んでもらってる。谢谢啊。哦，很舒服。Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. ありがとうございました。Okay, we're done, man. You're looking so much neater, right?
Yeah.
Wow. さすがマサさん。So your whole experience wasn't cheap, of course.
Yeah.
Just the haircut was around 64, and he got some head spa, and he got some shaving, looking like a baby now. Okay, let's be honest. Okay, do you think it was worth it?
Yeah, it was worth it
Mm.
because you're really treating yourself when you come here.
Yeah.
They really take care of you. Yeah.
本当に気持ちよさそうにしてた。Thank you, Minami, for sponsoring this video, and I put a link in the description box below so you guys can check it out and come here. はい、そんな感じで、この後飲みに行きたいと思います。Yeah, we're gonna go have a drink maybe.
Yep.
See you guys later. Bye bye.
Bye.